This is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing a ladybug manicure for a collaboration I am doing on Instagram. I co-host it. So if you are interested in joining one, please hit me up on Instagram. I am NailedIt67. Please look for me there. So to do this, as you can see, I have on, well, you can't see it, but I have on my base coat 2 coats of red. I have taken black nail polish, went across the tip of my nail like a French manicure. I took a striping polish, which is in my hand, took and did the line down the center. With my dotting tool, I did the 6 dots and the eyes, and we are going to finish these 2 fingers on camera, just so you can get the little hang of it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them down in the box. Take your striping polish, 1 line down the center of your nail. It's really super easy. Doesn't exactly have to be straight. You can do it thick or thin, whichever works for you. This here I got at the Dollar Tree for $1. Robin Moses, which is a famous YouTuber, has her own brush out. It is called, well, she has 2. She has one that is called, I don't know if you could even see that, the wand. She also has, let's see, there it is, the wand. She also has a stripy one, but it's called the unicorn, I believe. This brush I have not used yet, but this is how thin you would need your brush. Food for thought. This is $10 off of, you can check Robin Moses out on Instagram or on YouTube. Her brushes come from Robin Moses Nail Art at yahoo.com, I believe. They are $10 a piece or 2 for $20. Great thing to invest in. Okay, so we have a little cap here that I'm going to put some black and white polish on. I'm going to do the black first for the dots down that ladybug's back. And we'll put some white out for his eyes, because we need that too. And you're going to need a dotting tool. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use a bobby pin, the end of a brush, your striping brush. You can use the end of an ink pen, a pencil. There's many things around the house that you can go and use instead of a dotting tool. This is what I'm using. I'll be using this end for all of it. So we're going to go in here, make sure you get some generous polish on the end of your dotting tool. I made 6 dots there. And I'll be making 3 dots on each side. Ladybugs are really super easy to do. And there you go. There are, whoops, sorry, I'm cleaning off my dotting tool. There are his dots for his ladybug's back. Now we're going to go in with the white for the eyes. Make sure to take a generous amount so you can make his eyes. We're going to do the white first, and then we'll put the pupils in. I hope you're having a good Saturday, but this is going to be this video will probably, be put up on the 7th or the 8th of May. The collaboration will be posted approximately May 7th, and I can't post my video until the collaboration video or post goes up on Instagram. So we're going to go in with some black for the pupils. And you're going to want a fast drying top coat for this, but you're going to want to let this dry for a little bit so it does not smear. But we're done. We have ladybugs. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found this really super easy to follow. If not, let me know and I can redo it or give you some helpful hints. But here you got your ladybugs. Remember, 2 coats of red polish. I use Sinful's Go-Go Girls for my red. Striping polish is black. The only tools I used was a dotting tool and my cap that I put the polish on. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it useful. If not, let me know. We can figure something out to help you better. Please check out all my other videos. Please subscribe and click the bell button so you're notified of all future videos. Click like, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, please link those down below, and I do answer all. Check me out on Instagram. I have over 200 pictures of nail art and nail polish that I frequently use. Well, I guess that's all for now. Have a blessed day. Thank you.